Hi students, this is Tara Ravishankar from Department of Media Studies, Christ Nagar College, Trivandrum. Today we are going to discuss about functions of a photojournalist.
Photojournalism has fundamentally changed the landscape of news reporting.
The moral obligations within photojournalism are still debated upon the functions of photojournalist. A photojournalist's presence or its intervention can change the course of events. There are limitations to what a photojournalist can do, and it is unfair to expect too much from them too. In 1993, the South African photojournalist Kevin Carter took the heartbreaking picture of a dying little Sudanese girl struggling to reach a food center while a watcher lurked in the background waiting for her to die during a famine. The picture won a Pulitzer Prize, which was initially published in New York Times. It brought widespread attention to famine and increased donations towards the cause. However, it also garnered great concern for the fate of the girl whom Carter had not helped. Actually, it was behind the controversies. We don't know whether Carter helped. Once we have read that Carter took that girl to the famine center later. But anyway, drowned in guilt and from the horror that he had seen, Carter committed suicide a year later. The job of a photojournalist is to draw attention to important issues. An argument made by photojournalists who capture horrific stories in situations where the people are helpless is that their images serve to shock the viewers of the news and invite their attention and help. So, what are the real function of a photojournalist? Photojournalists capture images of events, incidents, or people to create a press story. Their job includes editing and preparing pictures taken in real life situations to obtain visual material used to support news stories. In performing their functions, photojournalists visit several locations to obtain photographs of people, events, or scenery for journalistic purposes. They usually work for news agencies, magazines, documentary companies, newspapers, television or such broadcast medias, even now online, like that. Their role involves covering of important occasions, all sort of occasions. In the morning they may be covering a happy event, and the evening may be covering a sorrow event, maybe accident, maybe Olympics, maybe elections, maybe mass protest or disasters, tragedies, or beautiful such occasions, maybe ceremonies or events, so many things. So every day variety of events, they are witnessing a lot many varieties in life. They must be skilled to operate camera, different types of camera, lenses and other accessories, and image enhancing equipments like artificial lighting or filters, or they should be able in selecting the angles. Angles are great important things because they may they are the way they portrayed a story, and from that only the people may get a message, and they use these tools to capture clear messages, clear pictures which depict a situation and tell a convincing story. Their work description may give a brief narration or describe the maybe associate with a caption or a cut line. And photographs are usually used in newspapers or magazines or any print medium in a way. Sometimes they may stand alone, that means they themselves depict a story, or sometimes they may be associated with some news material or text or something, or sometimes they will be having only a photo caption along with that, or a series of photographs like photo essays and all. A photojournalist tells the story with a human race. They capture emotions. They are capturing verbs, we can say it like that, rather than nouns. They have something to depict through the photo itself, and emotion in the situation and the emotion the viewer feels when viewing the image is very, very important. It not only tells a story, but it excites people about the story and gets them involved in the photo story. This is not to say that photojournalist's only job is to bring the doom or gloom of the world to readers. It also helps the world celebrate the joy. Joyous pictures from the world's best photojournalists are stunning. You may remember the VJ Day at Times Square. It's the joy of the end of a war. They provide stories, another layer of telling story as unedited, raw truth. They provide raw truth. Photographs themselves can be useful without context, even harmful. But photojournalism is an attempt to show an unadulterated truth. Then the cornerstone of photojournalism to a photojournalist or any viewer has always been complete and total honesty, an attempt to show the world as it is true, the true portion of the world. That is one of the function of a photojournalist, to portray the truth. Photojournalists should be able to produce photographs needed for a story within the deadline. Meeting the deadline is another important thing before them. All works related to editing or other touch-ups or cropping, photo cropping is very important. Everything is related to a photojournalist function, and it should be complete only with that. And he or she should be able to capture the photograph in such a way that the photo itself tells a story. A photojournalist should be able to handle all sorts of cameras. Already we have told this point, because it can be considered as one of the function of photojournalists, because to choose a lens in appropriate time, where to use the wide angle lens, where to use the macro, or where to use a normal lens, or is there a need of filter, is there a need of corrections in lighting, everything. Even the compositions, what kind of composition, certain compositions tell something, the different angles they choose, and a good photographer should be capable of saying something newsworthy in a normal scene. The newsworthiness, his eye, just like what we say, there should be news for a reporter. Here the smelling or the sensing is done with the camera, how he used this camera. Photojournalism in the digital age is subject to many complexities, and the functions of photojournalism do change, and current debates and discussions surrounding the practice of photojournalism includes that there are no limit to responsible representation or manipulation or citizen contribution and evolution of digital technology. With photojournalism expanding and diversifying their appearance to be less control over the nature and the authors of the content produced. That means the photojournalist work. In addition to this, the parameters of the professional photojournalist are in a continuing state of flux. That means a concept predating digital but amplified by it. Photojournalism formed the understanding of photography as evidence, as it placed a demand on the photographers to create visual representations of the event or issues being investigated. By the introduction of Photoshop version 1 in 1990, it meant that the process of manipulation was accessible to anyone. It is thought that the digital technology has increased the potential of the image to narrate. However, it also appears to have cracked the credibility that the photograph used to possess. So we could say that the fluid nature of these digital images can be only controlled by the creator, the photographer, and he should have a thought of a kind of ethics behind his profession. If he possesses that, definitely he could to an extent control this kind of manipulations. Photojournalist function also encourages the industrialization of news and the surge of mass market, both contributing to the creation of illustrated magazines or photo essays. The evolution of digital technology allow photojournalists to explore new methods of narrating an event. Where the photo essay was a product of industrialization, digital technology provides photojournalists with an escape into new forms of media. So, the photojournalism is different from other areas of photography, other genres of photography, other types of photography. The main difference is they are compelled, that is photojournalists function, one of the function is to compel according to and work according to the rigid ethical framework. Since their work contributes to the news media, it must be impartial and honest, and the stories must be told to be very strictly journalistic. The photojournalist must often make instant decisions. Instant decision making is another important function of photojournalists, how quickly they should act, and must always have their photographic equipment with them and ready to use at a moment notice. The something you may have heard, remember the decisive moment by Henry Cartier-Bresson, how quickly some decision has to be taken, otherwise this decisive moment may be lost, or in some disaster or tragedy situations, some instant clicks or some even some the reactions of some prominent leaders, you have to react in an instant way, and often the conditions are not optimal and are full of obstacles, such as a crowd of people may be there before you, or a very poor weather condition, and threat of physical danger may be there. If you are noticed that someone noticed that you are taking a picture of that, like that, and photos that are hard to capture due to difficult situations such as danger, war zones. You know about the photojournalists associating war front, they are taking photographs. And a photojournalist is someone who had a trained, artistic and talented eye and is able to see a photographic opportunity that an untrained eye might not easily find. And he or she has the opportunity to change the way people view the world through their photographs. So they have the opportunity to change the way people view the world and can show people things they have never been seen before. And these individuals are very passionate about their work and having an amazing eye for details, and have an innate ability to see the world around them differently than others, and they are supposed to work in a irregular time schedule. A photojournalist does not have a typical 9 to 5 job. The job nature of job is different. When news breaks, they must be ready to go immediately, and they are always on call 24/7. They may be ready to do their job, and often long work hours may be there. Working conditions may not be always be very favorable. Severe weather could be a factor, or some dangerous situations may be there. That is the thrill of their job. Every day they are facing new situations which is totally unpredictable. But you may see some photojournalists working very close to their home safely for local newspapers and magazines. They too can be called as photojournalists, but their by profession, their function is to take up any kind of risk, any kind of difficulties, and to bring out a very productive photograph as a news story. In addition to taking photos, they have to be part of brainstorming news ideas with journalists or consulting photo editors, and sometimes they have to schedule photo sessions and write photo captions. I think it is useful if they could write a photo caption, or at least they could note something very important related to that photograph. Now in digital age, it's not possible to write behind the print, but you can send a text message or note it somewhere and digitally save it, and later it will be useful for the journalist to write a caption or a cut line. Most often, a photojournalist may not write cut line or caption, but they should understand the relationship between the image and their basic elements of language. Photojournalist is a visual reporter of facts. The photojournalists simply want to hang around, be forgotten, and wait for the right moment. Then the hunt begins. We said that the photojournalists usually go for verbs, but occasionally they take pictures of nouns too. Photojournalists shoot action verbs usually, but in occasions photojournalists do shoot some nouns. The nouns can be standard photos of people, portrait, or places, that means a zone area or a construction area, and things like certain things can be considered a photograph. However, the noun we seek still must tell a story. A modern photojournalist is a mixture of reporter, artist, and craft person. A photographer is expected to determine 1/500th of a second, just like a shutter speed setting, whether a subject is newsworthy or is aesthetically pleasing and technically possible to record on film or now on sensor. A photojournalist from experience and education must know what is and what is not news. The instant reactions that can be evoked by photographs have made it impossible to publish an important news piece without an accompanying picture of the photo story. But photojournalism has seen its fair share of controversies over years, with the picture of crisis consistently making headline news. Photojournalism has emerged as a genre in itself. Many photographers are devoted to shooting pictures in these contexts, but the genre has also been stained by photographers staging pictures, publishing objectionable images of victims, dead or alive, without anyone's consent, and so on. All of these were issues that have caused outrage among viewers of the news. Actually, if we go on talking about this subject, there is lot many things to discuss, and it's never going to end. But I hope my students got the basic idea what are the basic functions of a photojournalist, and you go on researching more about or think more on this topic, and definitely you have something to write on your notebook. Thank you for the day.